Building your own AI tool is becoming super important for creators and businesses. Imagine having a tool that can automate tasks, analyze data, or even create content for you. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that it's more achievable than you think? One of the biggest hurdles people face when trying to create AI tools is the technical skills required. I mean, not everyone is a coding expert, and learning to code just to build an AI tool can be a huge barrier. And then there's the issue of resources. Some AI tools require massive amounts of data and powerful computers to run. Plus, the complexity of AI itself can be overwhelming. Where do you even start? The process can seem daunting, but I'm here to break it down for you. You'll need to define what problem your AI tool will solve, which involves understanding your needs and goals. Then you'll have to choose the right tools and platforms to build and train your AI. The good news is that there are many user-friendly platforms out there that make this process a lot easier. You won't need to be a pro coder to get started. Once you have your tool built, you'll need to test it out and refine it to make sure it's working just right. These steps might sound simple, but they are crucial. By following them, you can actually build an AI tool that works for you. And the best part? You don't need a huge team or a massive budget to get started. So what's the most exciting part about creating your own AI tool? Seeing it in action, of course. Imagine having a tool that can help you automate repetitive tasks or provide insights that you can use to make better decisions. For example, let's say you're a content creator and you want to build a tool that can help you come up with new video ideas. You could train your AI tool to analyze your past videos and suggest topics that your audience might be interested in. The possibilities are endless, and I want to show you just how simple it can be. To recap, the 3 easy steps to build your own AI tool are: define the problem, choose the right tools, and test and refine. That's it. With these steps, you can create a tool that saves you time, helps you work smarter, and maybe even opens up new opportunities. If you've got thoughts or questions about building your own AI tool, leave them in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about AI and how to use it in your business or projects, check out my next video, where I dive deeper into some of these topics.